Hey everyone, it's Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to have a look at the surgeon console chair. It has a fun look and it's fun to use. I'm going to move into the chair, and right away we'll show you the movements of our surgeon console. Okay, your front lever is actually your seat slider. You see how easy that is to move. Gives you a good 2 to 3 inches of movement for longer leg support. Your center lever is your gas lift. Simply up and down. Again, you want your 90-degree angle at your knee bend. Your far lever to the back here is your tilt, lock, and free float. So when it's in an upright position, okay, you can lift your paddle up and you're going to see the movement of this chair. It actually moves forward, and that's a great benefit to people that want to sit closer to their keyboard or whatever application they have, but they want to lean into their work, so to speak. They're still getting uninterrupted back support. To lock it in place, simply push your paddle down and it stays for you. The lumbar support actually on this chair, folks, this is an internal patented spring system lumbar support, and it dynamically adjusts to the weight and shape of each user that sits in the chair. Okay? The back of our chair also comes up on a ratchet system and simply drops down. And I'll show you how easy that is to use. When you're sitting in the chair, simply lift it up and you've got the support you need. The cushioning comes standard in the surgeon console with Enersorb, and I'm going to show you what this is right now. This Enersorb is a unique cushioning that has memory, and I'm going to squish this little Enersorb ball right down, try and flatten it right out, and you see how that comes back into shape. What happens when you sit on a seat filled with Enersorb, which is only available through Nightingale, that Enersorb is uniquely dispersing your weight vertically as you sit, but also it stretches out horizontally. So it is form-fitting to the shape and weight of each user that sits in this chair and any of our chairs from Nightingale with Enersorb. Okay? And also, a great application, and especially in medical industry, the chair can be lifted up. You can reverse sit in it, and this now gives you support in a medical application for doing laboratory work, perhaps a dentist working on his patient's teeth, but there's arm support here on the back. Also, just a different way to sit for people that want to collaborate in a workplace. The unique design of the back literally wraps around your back to form fit you. Okay? It supports your lumbar, your kidney area, and it really, in essence, hugs your back for extreme comfort. And this is our surgeon console from Nightingale, and if you'd like more information, please visit us at nightingalechairs.com.